Going. Megan Espinay Vlog. Beautiful place of San Fernando. Town Plaza is city of San Fernando. Beautiful place. It's a nice day here in the Philippines. Welcome aboard. We're here in Gillian. We're here in San Fernando Town Plaza. City of La Union, city of San Fernando. So beautiful place. Welcome aboard. Welcome Philippines. Thank you and God bless. And always here in San Fernando. Take care and like and share, subscribe, and love you guys. Hello, hello to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello guys. Shout out to you all. I'm in the Philippines. Live. Love you guys. Take care and God bless. So long. And it's January 13, 2026. So we're walking here in a mall. It's plaza of San Fernando town proper, San Fernando city of San Fernando, La Union, Philippines. Thank you and God bless. So long. See you again soon for the next vlog. God bless. Enjoy. Enjoy the view and enjoy watching. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long, everyone. And see you again soon for next vlog. Like and share and subscribe. Thank you. God bless. And shout out to all the viewers and subscribers. Hello, everyone. Love you guys. Take care and God bless you all. Thank you again and see you again soon.